Can you imagine a court case about an arson attack on a political leader's home with very little coverage? No real analysis or deep dive from the mainstream media? Well, this is exactly what is happening with Keir Starmer's alleged Ukrainian rent boys arson attack. No analysis, deep dive, or anything on this extraordinary situation from the mainstream media. And neither any questions about it in the House of Commons to Starmer from any politician. Was that why he was so quick to prorogue Parliament? According to Dr. Myles Munroe, character is defined as a commitment to a set of values without compromise, a dedication to a set of standards without wavering. This arson attack story stands as a real-world test of character under scrutiny. Even the perception of ethical compromise matters because character is about consistency under pressure, not just legal guilt. When we choose leaders who are atheists or leaders who have no Judeo-Christian values, do you expect them to do things based on Judeo-Christian values or principles? No, and do not get me wrong. I am not saying that the Prime Minister did anything wrong. I am just saying that the appearance in this case does not look good. You can imagine if this was President Trump or Nigel Farage caught up in such a case. Whether alleged or not, it would have been on every mainstream media outlet day and night announcing how disgusting these men are. But no, it is Mr. Perfect Keir Starmer. No one dare say a word, or else. Selective outrage itself reveals a lack of consistent standards. Exactly what character-based leadership should reject. While it could be argued that some mainstream media reported the arrests and court proceedings, coverage has been relatively low-key compared to what a similar story involving Trump or Farage might have received. When you look at the millions being sent to Ukraine, with $3 billion per year guaranteed for up to 100 years for its security, while our own military is underfunded, which was exposed by the war in Iran, you have to ask the question, is the Prime Minister severely compromised in any way here? These policy choices stand as possible symptoms of compromised judgment for leverage. Starmer has been going through scandal after scandal and terrible decision making. Now this rent boys arson attack case has added to his mounting turmoil. Integrity is not optional for high stakes roles because compromise creates leverage points such as blackmail, distraction, or poor judgment. Judeo-Christian values are the bedrock that made Britain great. And when you throw its values and principles out the window, you are left with no moral compass. Anything goes. This is a historical route we came from, where those values gave the nation strength versus today's vacuum. Whenever you're a leader, especially a political leader, tests will come. For decades, we have seen the test of sex destroy leaders no matter how strong or how powerful they were. The moral standard against committing adultery and not looking at a person with lust still applies today. And if you are willing to follow these guidelines, it is difficult for you as a leader to fail the test, because it is failing this test that not only leaves you exposed and vulnerable, but also the nation. Leaders who commit to uncompromised values are harder to blackmail, distract, or corrupt. When a leader operates without that foundation, the whole country feels a vulnerability. That is the heart of it. Character is the ultimate safeguard for a true leader and the nation. Do you believe that Britain needs leaders with character? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you have benefited in any way from this video, please subscribe, like, share, and be sure to leave us a comment.